Welcome or welcome back at I Need Help at C-Square. In this example we will find out if this function f of x equals 4x cubed is even, odd, or neither. And you notice down here I have these two statements. A function is even if f of x equals f of negative x, or a function is odd if f of x equals negative f of negative x. Now first of all, what I would like you to see is a numerical way to kind of see if a function is odd or even. So what do I mean by that numerical way? Pick a number like let's say 2, and let's evaluate the function f at 2, f of 2, and that will be 4 times 2 to the third power, which becomes 4 times 8, which is 32. Similar, I'm gonna do f of negative 2. And what do we get here? We get 4 times the quantity negative 2 cubed, and that will be 4 times negative 8, and that is negative 32. So if we notice, these two guys are opposite. In other words, f of 2 equals negative f of negative 2. So it looks like this statement here. So using this numerical way, we kind of get it that this function is odd. But let's see the algebraic way, which says evaluate f of negative x, which is nothing else than 4 times the quantity negative x cubed. And negative x cubed means negative x times negative x times negative x, which is going to be negative x to the third power. And finally, this is going to be negative 4x cubed. And you notice f of x, which is x cubed, will be equal with negative f of negative x. If we do negative f of negative x, right, if we take a look here, we get 4x cubed. So in this moment we know this function is odd, and we have the algebraic process. Now you already notice the power of 3 here. So a general rule is that if you have a function that has only odd powers, something like this, and here remember you have an invisible one, the function will be odd. This rule works very well for polynomial function. Also, you can approach this odd, even function or neither by using a graphical approach. And let's take a look to the graph of 4x cubed. If you notice, this graph is symmetrical with origin. Whenever you have that type of symmetry, then you have an odd function. That is a fast way to identify odd function. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-Square for more help. Thank you.